Magpakatotoo tayo. Madali bang magpatawad sa taong sinaktan ka ng sobra? Hindi. Especially kung binasag nila yung tiwala mo or sinira nila yung buhay mo in some way. Pero ito yung hindi sinasabi sa'yo. Forgiveness is not about making them feel better. It's about setting you free. Kapag naaalala mo yung ginawa nila, bumabalik lahat ng sakit na naramdaman mo eh. Parang sugat na tinanggalan ng langib pero hindi pa gumagaling. Kaya yung instinct mo, huwag magpatawad. Kasi feeling mo, you're letting them get away with it. Pero ito ang totoo. Kapag hindi ka nagpatawad, sila ang may hawak sa'yo kahit wala na sila sa buhay mo. Nasa isip at puso mo pa rin sila. Controlling your peace, your mood, your energy. Forgiveness doesn't mean you're saying na okay lang yung ginawa nila. Hindi mo sinasabing tama sila. It simply means ayaw mo nang dalhin yung bigat na nararamdaman mo. Ayaw mo nang maging prisoner ng sarili mong galit. Think of it like this. Meron kang backpack na puno ng bato. Everyday, bit-bit mo, mabigat, mahirap buhatin, nakakapagod. Forgiveness is you putting the bag down. Hindi para sa kanila, para sa sarili mo. Step 1. Ito yung mahirap eh. Accept na nangyari na. Hindi na natin mababago ang nangyari na. Step 2. Decide that you don't want to carry that pain anymore. That's a choice kahit hindi mo pa feel. Step 3. Put boundaries. Forgiving doesn't mean you let them hurt you again. Pwede kang magpatawad nang hindi kayo nagbabalik sa dati. Example, kung may kaibigan ka, niloko ka at sinira ang tiwala mo, pwede mo siyang patawarin sa puso mo. Pero hindi mo na siya kailangan ibalik sa inner circle mo. Forgiveness is not weakness. It's saying, I choose peace over revenge. I choose freedom over anger. The person who hurt you, let life deal with them. May karma tayong tinatawag. Your job is to heal and move forward. Kasi habang hawak mo yung galit, hindi mo mahahawakan yung blessings na para sa'yo. And remember, you don't forgive because they deserve it. You forgive because you deserve peace.